Hello, I am Dan Mance, CEO of the Robotics Education and Competition Foundation and a 1991 graduate of Kettering University. The REC Foundation utilizes our innovative, hands-on, team-focused VEX robotics programs to increase student interest in STEM and help develop the Industry 4.0 ready workforce. This is just like what Kettering students experience through the project-focused learning programs and unique co-op experience at Kettering University.
I'd like to introduce you to Kettering University's president.
At Kettering, we love VEX robotics students, and we want to congratulate you on making it through yet another challenging robotics season. Your ability to adapt, innovate, and continue to build amazing robots and programs is exactly the skill set we look for in students at Kettering University. So good luck to each team, and we look forward to seeing who wins the championship.
At Kettering, all of our engineering students use VEX Robotics to learn engineering design and for friendly competition.
One of the biggest things that really stood out to me at Kettering was that everything you do is hands-on. That is literally the best place for you.
Through robotics, I've learned leadership and hands-on skills that I use in the classroom at Kettering and also in the workforce at GM.
I'm a current Kettering co-op here at Innovation First International, and my favorite part about this co-op is that it's a wonderful networking opportunity and it's a unique hands-on experience.
In 2021, Kettering University awarded 72 robotics scholarships totaling in $1.6 million. Being a VEX student, you can be one of those winners as well.
We have 6 engineering programs, computer science and management. Students here go to campus for a 3-month academic term, then go to work full-time for paid co-ops for 3 months as well. You'll enjoy it.
One more word from Kettering's president.
And don't forget, we at Kettering want you to visit, to apply, and to succeed.